Hi everyone, this is Ramalinga Prasad Kuppa. Welcome to my channel Pharma World. Today's topic is responsibilities of quality units and responsibilities of production activities as per ICH Q7. Let us see how the responsibilities of quality units are prescribed under section 2.2 of the guide. Section 2.20 says the quality units should be involved in all quality related matters. What is a quality unit? A quality unit is generally the quality assurance department. In smaller organizations, quality assurance and quality control are together as one department. In several organizations, there is separate quality assurance function, mainly to take care of the GMP compliance by coordinating all the departments of manufacturing, including the quality control. Then what is the quality related matter? A quality related matter is the one which leads to quality output of that particular activity. And sum of total activities of manufacturing is also considered as the quality related matters. So all the activities that lead to quality output are considered as quality related. In GMP arena, all the activities of manufacturing are considered as quality related. For manufacturing, see the section 20 of the ICH Q7. It clearly defines as a sum total of all activities of receipt of materials, production, packaging, labeling, quality control, release, storage, and distribution, and all related controls are considered as manufacturing. So in short, start to finish of all the GMP activities matters are in the scope of the quality units. Let us see more on these responsibilities. The quality units should review and approve all the appropriate quality related documents. This is the prescription under section 2.21. What are the quality related documents? See, SOPs, recording formats, registers, protocols, reports, etc. are all considered as quality related. There are no documents in the GMP which are not in the scope of review of quality units. So there is no documents in the manufacturing or out of scope of quality unit review. Let us see how the main responsibilities of the quality units are described under section 2.22. The guideline says the main responsibilities of the independent quality units should not be delegated. These responsibilities should be described in writing and should include but not necessarily be limited to. Let us understand more on this. What are the main responsibilities of quality units? All the items described in the previous slide, starting from SOPs, recording forms, registers, protocols, reports, etc., have to be reviewed by quality units. What is review? It is to check whether or not the contents comply to the requirement of GMP. If everything complies, then approval of the document is a very big responsibility of quality units. It should be understood that when once the quality unit approves the document, it becomes a law in the GMP constitution. You have to comply, no escape to that rule. Non-compliance to constitutional requirements is punishable under various sections of law. You know that. These responsibilities should not be delegated. That means these activities have to be done only by the quality units and not to be done by others. Of course, there is a big list of other responsibilities prescribed for quality units to perform In addition to these main responsibilities, your job responsibility matrix should reflect this particular requirement. I hope you understand this point. Let us understand how the production responsibilities are described under section 2.3. It says routine responsibilities like drafting necessary procedures, production activities, reviewing activities of all production related. Let us see the production responsibilities in more detail. In this case also, there is a big list of responsibilities provided in this section. In addition to the other routine responsibilities, drafting of production related SOPs is the responsibility of production department. Also, review of the production procedures for the correctness also is the responsibility of the production department itself. The guideline also says making sure that the production facilities are clean and when appropriate disinfected. See, the cleaning and disinfection activities also is a part of the production responsibility only. Making sure that necessary calibrations are performed and records kept. So making sure that the equipments and instruments are calibrated on time. It appears generally that there is this is the responsibility of the maintenance department, but in reality, this is the part of production responsibility itself. So it is a responsibility of the production department to follow up with the maintenance department and to get the calibrations performed on time. So same is the case with the equipment maintenance and records also. Making sure that the new and when appropriate modified facilities and equipments are qualified. See, even the equipment qualifications are also a part of the production department itself. So in short, all the responsibilities of warehousing, maintenance, storage are considered as a part of production responsibility, though generally they are handled by different departments. This particular point has to be noted carefully and it should be incorporated into your job responsibilities. Thanks for watching. For more videos, please do subscribe, like and share. Thank you.